Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete call history on Facebook Messenger. Just watch this video till the end. Deleting your call history. Delete Messenger. Call history on Messenger is the process of removing all records of your audio and video calls from the Messenger app. This can be done for a variety of reasons, such as to protect your privacy, free up storage space, or simply to declutter your app to delete your call history on Messenger. You can either delete individual calls or delete your entire call. On mobile history, you can remove individual call data either from the Calls tab or from the Messenger chat conversation with a specific person. To delete the call history from the Calls tab, simply press and hold a contact and select the Delete option. This is similar to deleting a specific message. If you want to delete the call history from individual chats, first open the Messenger app and locate the friend from whom you want to delete calls. Afterward, long press until you see emoji icons and select Remove next to the bump option. If you are using Messenger on a on-computer, click the three dots next to that call message and select Remove, which is located right above the option to pin a message in Messenger. Once you press the Remove button and confirm it, that call history will be immediately deleted from your account. Since you cannot delete multiple call records at once, you must repeat the same steps for each call history you want to delete your entire call history on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app, then long press on a chat list that you want to remove and choose Delete from conclusion. The various options. Remember that removing all calls will also delete your previous chats and photos. This is exactly how you can remove call history on Facebook Messenger. If you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial and tips videos like this.